Montgomery, Julia Slavic was last seen getting into a blue Lexus East, South 350 with a white plate, state unknown, at the College View campus in Elizabethtown, Kentucky at 11 a.m. October 11th, 2022. Victims, Julia Slavic, a black female aged 16 years old. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 199 pounds. Last seen wearing white shoes, purple t-shirt, and a black jacket. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police. The current time is 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Looking at the latest weather maps, warmer than temperatures will continue through Wednesday. A cold front will approach tonight and move through our region Wednesday.